Welcome to Glamour Realm. This is a space where beauty is not performance, not trend, not approval seeking. It's regulation. It's biology. It's presence. If you're here, it's because something in you already knows this. That beauty isn't something you put on. It's something the body signals when it's well. Today I want to talk about bio-beauty. Not in a fluffy way, not in a marketing way, but in the real, scientific, nervous system level way. Because once you understand this, you stop chasing glow, and you start returning to it. Let's begin. Most people think beauty is visual. But biologically, beauty is informational. Your face, your skin, your posture, your movement. They are constantly broadcasting data to other nervous systems. Long before someone thinks she's attractive, their body decides, is this person safe? Is this person regulated? Is this person vital? That decision happens in milliseconds. This is why two people with similar features can be perceived completely differently. And this is why you can look done and still feel invisible, or look simple and feel magnetic. Bio-beauty is not about perfection, it's about coherence. Let's talk about the biology. The human brain is wired to scan for health. Not consciously, automatically. Symmetry is one of the first signals. Not extreme symmetry, not frozen perfection, but balanced development. Symmetry tells the brain, this body developed without excessive stress. The systems communicated properly. That's not an aesthetic preference. That's evolutionary pattern recognition. Skin is another major signal. Not color, not trend, but clarity, tone, hydration, and reflectivity. Glowing skin isn't about shine. It's about circulation, oxygenation, and barrier function. When your nervous system is regulated, blood flow improves. When blood flow improves, skin tone evens. When stress hormones lower, inflammation drops. Your glow is literally a side effect of nervous system safety. This is why no product works the same on everyone. Because skin is not a surface problem, it's a feedback system. Now let's talk about something people rarely say out loud. Beauty is read through movement. The way you walk, the way you pause, the way your face rests when you're not performing. Biologically, fluid movement signals efficiency. Efficiency signals health. Jerky movement, rigid posture, frozen expression. These signal a body that is bracing. And bracing dulls beauty faster than age ever could. This is why softness reads as power when it's real. Not performative softness, but regulated softness. A calm nervous system doesn't rush. It doesn't over-explain. It doesn't seek permission. And people feel that. Now let's talk hormones. Briefly, without nonsense. Estrogen-dominant traits, softness, fullness, skin elasticity, are read as fertility signals. Testosterone-dominant traits, structure, jaw, bone density, are read as strength signals. But here's what matters most. When your stress hormones are high, both estrogen and testosterone become chaotic. Cortisol flattens beauty. It drains color. It collapses presence. This is why rest changes your face. This is why peace makes you look expensive. This is why people say, you look different, when you haven't changed anything. They're not seeing effort. They're seeing regulation. Bio-beauty is what happens when the body is no longer in survival mode. Now I want to say something important. Confidence does not create beauty. Regulation creates confidence. Confidence is not a mindset trick. It's a physiological state. When your nervous system is settled, your voice slows, your gaze steadies, your movements become economical. That's what people call confidence, but it's actually safety in the body. This is why forced confidence feels loud, and embodied confidence feels quiet. One is compensating, the other is coherent. Bio-beauty is quiet, and that's why it unnerves people who rely on performance. Let's talk about why trends fail you. Trends are visual shortcuts. They attempt to imitate biological signals without addressing the system underneath. That's why you can follow every trend and still feel off. Because the body knows when it's being overridden. True beauty rituals work with biology, not against it. Sleep. Consistent nourishment. Gentle movement. Touch. Light exposure. Rhythm. These aren't lifestyle cliches. They are regulatory inputs. Your body is not lazy. It's protective. When you stop pushing it, it gives you back your glow. This is where glamour realm differs from everything else. We don't teach beauty as performance. We teach beauty as signal integrity. How clean is the signal your body is sending? How much static is in your system? Because the body always tells the truth. And here's the part people don't expect. Bio-beauty is also felt inwardly, before it's seen outwardly. When you feel calm in your own presence, your face softens, your shoulders drop, your breath deepens. That internal shift is visible. This is why self-trust changes your appearance. This is why boundaries sharpen beauty. This is why not explaining yourself makes you more attractive. Your body relaxes when it's no longer negotiating for safety. That's the glow. So if you've been feeling dull, invisible, or disconnected from your beauty, nothing is wrong with you. Your system may just be tired of performing. And the return is not dramatic. It's gentle. Less force, more coherence, less chasing, more inhabiting. Bio-beauty is not something you earn. It's something that reappears when the body feels safe enough to show itself. That's the work we do here. If this landed for you, let it land quietly. You don't need to act on it. Just notice your breath, your posture, your presence. Your body already knows how to glow. The rest was conditioning,